Hey everybody, it's Darlene from Liquid Sunshine, and I just wanted to quickly come on and talk about or brag about the Nuda self-tanning mousse. It is the award-winning 2023 as being the best self-tanner. It is in a mousse form. You will get roughly eight body applications from the mousse. This is one application and I'm happy with the color. I don't feel any need to do a second coat, but a second application. However, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, I might. Or if you've missed an area, you can blend it all in and have that. But a little goes a long way, and this is amazing. I was feeling really, I don't know if it was the weather or not yesterday, but I got up, I applied this, and already it's confidence booster in a bottle, in a pump. And I already felt really good after applying it. I don't apply it too much to my face, but I will contour with it. So afterwards, I'll pump some on a makeup brush and into the contour lines. You can do that. You don't have to have two different products. If you have some areas where you want it to contour, just put the product there. And then when you rinse, it all blends, it all looks really good. Now, this is a hydrating mousse. It's got, oh my God, coconut oil, grapefruit, mango, extract in it, all hydrating ingredients. So for me, my mature skin and things show more, I use the face water for my face area, and then I'll use this for contouring. But I did just get the new contour gun from Nuda, so that's another whole nother video, which I think I've done. So what I also do at the very end of applying is very lightly to go over the hands area. You don't want to go on the knuckles, any dry areas. You could put barrier cream on there first if you want to, but you can just use the excess solution, or I should say excess mousse that you have on your hand, and pull it up like that. And make sure you get into all of your, so if you held your hand like that, you would have nice color. Don't forget, like, so this shouldn't be all white down here. So don't forget these areas, the same as the back of the heel, your feet area, elbows, your knee area. And don't worry, because if you get too much on that, it will darken a little bit more. Don't panic. When you're in the shower, just use your mitt and lightly, I'll say lightly buff, but lightly blend, and the excess of the bronzers will be removed. But if you go too harsh, then you'll get a big white spot. It's almost like painting or applying makeup and you made a mistake and you don't want to do your whole face. You're gonna lightly blend an area. That's really how it is. It's really amazing. I love this product. There is no harsh smell. There is no bad smell. And I want to show you the color of it, because you're going to go, oh my God, it's gone bad. Because you'll see almost like a greenish undertone, greenish undertone. And I have it already on my fingers. See, that's the sign of a spray tan artist. So don't be afraid of that, not to get into technicalities, but it's kind of like a guarantee of an anti-orange. Do you know what I mean? So it's working with your body, and your body will take what it needs and give you big, beautiful color like this. It's amazing. And don't worry about the green tinge. If you see it, So yes, you want to apply it and leave it on for about 6 hours at least. Did I say this was award-winning 2023 best self-tanner? Yes. Okay. All right. And also, did I say that I use the face tan spray water for my face? It works better. It doesn't show lines for me, for mature skin. For young skin, it's beautiful. You can travel with it. The scent is amazing. And when your hands or feet or any area is fading, you can just spray it on and go. It's not like cream where you got to sit and dry and fan and all that. I remember that. I remember those days. Yes. I also wanted to talk about the velour mitt because I love this. It's a velour on each side. I use one for strictly the self-tan, and I have another one that I use for removing my makeup or doing a facial. It's amazing, amazing. Another thing to worry, if I didn't explain, you don't have to worry about it getting onto the palms of your hands because you have this. So it's pretty amazing. You get 8 body applications from this because you only need so little. This is one application. And it's not even fully processed. I should say that. This is not fully processed as well because it's working with my body and it's gonna just be beautiful. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and yeah, have a wonderful day. Peace out.